Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to Banao Bharat's Monday live session. The last settlement for this week going on. We see a good opening movement for the first 1 hour, and we are now about 3 hours into the trade. It's almost 12:35. Let us quickly go through the charts and see where we stand today. Well, here is the Nifty chart, opened at around 18,090. Yesterday's low was, if you remember, that is Friday's low was 18,081. It has opened slightly above yesterday's low or Friday's low, which means it has survived Friday's low and weekly low has been survived, and today Monday morning it has opened above the last week's Friday's low, and then made a new high at around 18,193. Last week, if you see or if you remember, the day before yesterday it was around 18,224, and now it is currently trading at 18,140. So Nifty today, after having opened at 18,090, cruises for the first 4 candles, which means for the first 1 hour it does continuous upward movement and goes up to 18,193. From there on, it is now currently taking a breather. It has come down slight a bit. It is currently trading at 18,142. So this is the current Nifty, currently trading at 18,142. Well, this is the chart of Bank Nifty, having opened at around 42,725, has gone up to 42,995, currently trading at 42,873. You can see here it has made a almost high of 43,000, just 5 points below the trading high of 42,995. This is the chart of Bank Nifty. So I think there is some data refresh issues. Just give me a minute so that you can okay, now the Bank Nifty data has got refreshed. So here you can see there was the data for Friday was not actually coming. Friday's data is now updated. Let me just see if Nifty data has got updated. We were having issues in data refresh since morning. Data, if you see, it is still showing January 19th. Unfortunately, January 20th data is still missing. So we are working on that from the behind the scene, and data recovery plan is going on. In the meanwhile, we can just look into the Bank Nifty chart, opened at 42,725 and currently trading at 42,875, has made a high of 42,995. It is in a good uptrend and going higher from here on. For this week, the last settlement of this week, there is no Thursday expiry. This time the expiry is on Wednesday. So Thursday being a holiday, being the Republic Day holiday, the expiry will be on Wednesday, Jan 25th. So you have 3 more trading sessions left in this week for your expiry play, which is also happens to be the monthly expiry. So it is important, you also have to keep in mind the monthly data of the stocks and the options positions in all of these stocks which are highly traded. For the last week of the month, not just the index or Nifty and Bank Nifty weekly data, you need to also keep in mind for the last monthly expiry, you need to keep in mind the stocks which get actively traded in the option segment. Let us look into some of the banking stocks to begin with. This is AB Capital. Let us start off with Axis Bank. Starting off with Axis Bank, yes, opens at around 941, comes down very quickly to 925, again makes a pullback and currently trading at 931. So this is the chart of Axis Bank, made a high of 941 and low of 925. Let us see what's happening in HDFC Bank. This is HDFC, opens at around 2750, currently trading at 2739. After the big gap up opening, very small candles have been formed, and there you can see here two candles, or for the last half an hour there has been good volumes in this. Looks like HDFC is poised to go little bit more further up. So this is like, watch out for 2750 levels. From here on it might go once again to new levels. So this is the chart of HDFC. Maybe we can see the weekly chart for today. You can see here from the lows of 2558 it has already come to the highs of 2750. From early last 2 weeks, if you see, HDFC had made a low of 2558. From there on it has been continuously going up in a very good upward pattern. Currently trading at 2738, but on the weekly chart you can see, like, this is currently trading at has made a high of 2750 from the lows of 2558. Let us also see the HDFC Bank chart. Well, from the lows of 1565 has gone up to 1676. So this is one-sided movement that we are seeing here. There is no fresh buying on the weekly chart, but then it has already entered a good up move at 617. From there on it has been going higher, now currently trading at 1668. So this is the chart of HDFC Bank. Let us see ICICI on the weekly chart. This is currently trading at 874, has made a high of 884. You can see here from the highs of 884 it has started falling. Just in the morning it has touched 884.85. okay, from there on it has already fallen 10 rupees. So this is the weekly chart. I think it's better we see the intraday chart itself. On the intraday chart you can see the opening candle high was 884.80. from there on it is hovering within the first candle levels. This is the chart of ICICI Bank. Let us also see HDFC Bank on the intraday time frame. Well, it has broken the support or resistance at 1672, has made a high of 1676, currently trading towards the day's high and currently quoting at 1668. Let us see some of the PSU Bank. Canara Bank has hit the resistance at 327. Will it come down from here or will it break above the resistance is what we need to wait and watch. So this is, it was having a resistance at 326. Canara Bank currently in uptrend has gone from 319 to 327 in the intraday time frame. Let us see Bank of Baroda. Bank of Baroda had opened at around 182 levels, again trying to cross the morning highs of 182, currently trading at 181.80. Kotak Bank, I think there was a results also in the last week, so has made a high of 1799, currently trading at 1792. It was having a intraday low of 1772. Let us also see SBI. Well, SBI had a breakout at 599, currently trading at 600. It is after the breakout, most of the stocks are having very small candles. Some consolidation is going on, some buying activity is going on before any major up move. This kind of consolidation is actually good, which also means, like, people are silently buying these stocks. So today there is some actual buying. If you also look into the options data, options, I generally watch the PCR, which is like, put call ratio analysis. Options data also signifies there is some put writing happening at around 40 to 900 levels. So from the 42,900 levels on the bank nifty. Let me refresh this options data. On the bank nifty side, the PCR is showing put writing at 42,900 levels, and on the nifty chart, where is the actual action as per the options data. So it's important, being the last week of the month, it's important we watch the options data also to get more information on how this expiry might turn out. Here we go. Big options put writing at 18,100 levels. So watch out for 18,100. Currently, if you see Nifty is currently trading at 18,127, or okay, yeah, it has made a high of 193 and currently trading at 127. Let me just look into the spot. Okay, spot is currently trading at 18,100 levels. You can see even the put writing is happening at 18,100 levels. So there is short covering going on up to 18,050. On the options data, if you see, there is short covering going on up to 18,050. So all the call writers are aggressively covering their short positions on the call side and shorting the puts up to 18,100. So you can be sure, like, you know, this settlement is going to be above 18,100 on the spot. So this is the chart of Nifty, and we were actually looking into SBI data. Let us also see IndusInd Bank. Nothing much happening there. Opened at 1219 and went down as low as 1198, currently trading towards the day's low 1203. I think it is good we see some of the big index heavyweights. This is the chart of Reliance, has hit the support at 2433, well, went up to 2467, has come down to 2433. Will it start again making the bounce back is what we need to wait and watch for. If I was a trader in Reliance, then I would go long at these levels. I wouldn't go short. Don't be short in this market. There is some genuine buying happening. So on an intraday basis, you can see Reliance opened at 2433 levels. From there on went up to 2461 in the first three candles itself, which means, like, you know, by 10 o'clock it was trading at around 2467. After that, there is a big continuous down move with only red candles, and each candle has been on the red side. It has hit the support at 2433. From here on, if the index has to move up, then obviously Reliance will have to be bought from here onwards. So if you are an intraday trader and if you are a trader in Reliance, then my suggestion would be to go long in Reliance at these levels. Let us see Hind Unilever. Hind Unilever has created a new buy level at 2603, currently trading at 2575. Will it go above 2603 is what we need to wait and watch for. Even if it crosses 2603, it might face resistance at 2685. Well, but still good gap of 80 points in this range, so definitely you can trade for good up movement if it crosses 2603 on Hindustan Lever. Let us also see Maruti. Nothing much happening here. 8451 opened at 8412, went up to 8494 in the very first candle. This is, like, you know, the first candle range, 8494 to 8412. After that, it has been trading within the first candle itself. Let us also see Tata Motors. Well, Tata Motors has a resistance at 411.85. It opened at 411 and it is now trading towards the day's high, currently trading at 410. nothing much happening here in this stock also. Let us see Infi. I think this week is going to belong to the tech stocks. So the charts are showing some upward movement in tech stocks. Infosys currently trading at 1544 and now currently quoting at towards the day's high. You can go for the buying in tech stocks in this week at the appropriate levels. You can see here on the intraday time frame, Infi is now trading towards the day's high and has created a new buy level at 1544. This is the chart of Infosys. Techyam opened at 1056 and from there on has been trading in a sideways movement, slightly upward now, currently trading at the day's high 1059. Let us see what's happening in TCS. Has a resistance at 3396 on the upside and also has a breakout level at 3365. Either side, if it goes to 3396, you can go short in TCS for intraday basis, or if it goes down to 3365, also you can short for the intraday time frame. Let us see the daily chart of TCS. On the results day, it made a high of 3515. On the very same day, it made a freak high at 3515. From there on, it has come down, and from the next day onwards, it has been continuously moving upward. But it might take a while to reach 3515 because it spent 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, about 10 days now after the results, and still it has not crossed 3515, which was the results day high. Tech Mahindra on the daily chart has been trading above the resistance of 1032. From there on, it is now quoting at 1059. Still showing the buy on the Tech Mahindra on the weekly chart at around 1059 levels. Let us see what's happening in Tata Group, Tata Chemicals. Yesterday's high was around 1001. It has made a lower high today, and it is okay. It was Friday's high, so this week it has made a lower high, and from there on it is currently quoting at 976. Tata Communication currently trading at 1379. Tata Consumers currently quoting at 740. Tata Motors currently quoting at 410. So these are all the weekly time frame charts, starts from Monday and ends on a Friday. So this is with respect to today's analysis. In case you are liking the content on Banao Bharat's Trading for Living live session, do subscribe to the channel, share the videos with your fellow traders, and do join in with your queries on any of the stocks that are traded in F&O. We can help you with your right entry and exit levels for your stocks. So we are also very soon starting a Trading for Living live coaching also, which means throughout the day from 9 AM to 3:30 PM we will be with us, and we will mentor you with your live trading sessions. We will trade live together. So that is the model which we are bringing in. Probably it will start from Wednesday onwards. In case you are interested in joining for the live coaching while the market is on, then do subscribe for the details. We will be very soon sharing the information on YouTube, Facebook and other social media network, and also on Twitter. So if you are liking the content, do not forget to subscribe and share the channel. That's it for now. Have a happy and profitable trading day. Let us again meet tomorrow with one more trading session live. Until then, Om Swasti.